If you want to disable the touch screen on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case we want to go to the Play Store and we need to search for an app. We're gonna type Touch Lock over here. There we go. And we are looking for this app over here. I'm gonna use this one as an example. We're gonna install it. We can probably find more apps that work in a similar way, so feel free to try anything else in case this one doesn't work for you or if you don't like this one for some reason. So once the app is installed, we want to open it. There we go. And of course, we will have to set it up. So we're gonna press consent here. Now let's just tap OK. And we need to grant overlay permissions. So we need to tap on this button in the middle of the screen. And you will have touch lock highlighted. So we need to tap on this switcher to turn it on to enable the app. And now we can tap on this option again in order to show the lock. So now we can tap on the lock in order to lock the screen, and now as you can see, if I try to do something, I cannot really do that. We can double tap in order to show the control again, so then you can I believe tap twice, yeah, there we go, in order to unlock the screen quite easily. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.